This is Joey from 22 Halo Media, and today we'll be spinning up a Red Hat VM. You can make an account, and developers can get Red Hat for free. They can try it for free. For commercial use, you do need a license. So we'll go ahead and name it and get the ISO we downloaded, and skip the unattended installation, and then give it 4 gigs of RAM and 2 CPUs. And we'll give it 100 gigabytes of disk and start it up. We'll go ahead and give it a user and a password, make it a sudo user, and then select the disk for installation. I'm going to connect to Red Hat now. You do need a developer's license. It is free, so you'll need an account. And then you can select the software. I'm just going to do the Workstation and begin the installation. Then you'll need the reboot after it's done installing. Go ahead and get signed in to the new VM. And we're going to install the kernel development tools. This is so we can install VirtualBox guest editions. You do need the kernel development tools package to be able to use guest editions. So now that that package is installed, we can go ahead and insert the guest edition CD image and then run the software. Need to enter a sudo password. Once guest editions finishes installing, you can restart or power off and power up the VM. You will want to change the display settings to be 100% of the video memory and enable 3D acceleration, and then start your VM again. Alright, we'll go to 22halomedia.com, and at 22halomedia.com there's a website, 6 crucial steps to take after creating a new Rocky VM. I'm just going to copy and paste the hostname command, and we'll set the hostname from localhost to media. So when the user 22halo is signed in, it'll be 22halo at media, media being the host name. Then you'll need to reboot after giving it a new host name. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, you can support our channel in a few ways. Please like and subscribe. You can go to 22halomedia.com and subscribe to our newsletter and never miss out on the latest tips, articles, and videos. There's also going to be some affiliate links in the YouTube description. That is for Northwest Registered Agent. You can form an LLC, corporation, nonprofit, and stay compliant. They have tools for your registered agent service, for mail forwarding, virtual office, a trademark service. You can get your EIN through them. Next sponsor will actually be for name.com, and they have a bunch of great products. They're a domain registrar. You can get your domain through them, and they also offer different hosting options. They have WordPress hosting, which is $30 a year, and one-click installation, unlimited storage, unlimited bandwidth, free daily backups, theme and plugin support, and a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. And then finally, we have the WordFence security plugin. You can get a free account through them to protect your WordPress website, but with premium, starting at $100, you don't have to wait 30 days for their full firewall rules and malware signature database.